Today's video is a commodity special video discussing about gold, silver and crude oil, what has happened in the last 3 to 4 days. So I'll be discussing each and everything in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. Gold's daily time frame chart, and oh boy, right exactly over here, and you can see the price of gold is making new all-time high. And especially if you look at the candles of gold, you can see there is just no wick. There is no wick in the candles of gold, and you can see full body candle. Volume is also pretty high over here, and today's candle also no wick at all, no selling at all, direct buying and buying. So see, this type of chart, if you see, then most probably these types of candles, I would say, are found because of fundamental news only. Because if I watch my latest crypto video, in the end I told you all that most of the time any move that comes in any asset, it happens because of technical analysis. Fundamental analysis also plays a role, but most of the time it is technical analysis. But over here on gold and silver and crude oil, it is more of fundamental analysis only. What exactly happened? Well, first of all, I'm pretty sure there must be some sort of uncertain news in the world that caused this pump towards the upside. Because see, the price of gold and silver are already at their all-time high. They are already overbought right now. They are already getting manipulated. I won't be surprised if the news comes out that they are getting manipulated, because obviously they are. If I zoom out, you can see the price of gold over here. So if I remove all the drawings, you can see the exact price of gold, how it is getting manipulated. You can see after this the price of gold is just pumping parabolically towards the upside, sort of in a straight line, and it is obviously overbought. And see, here's the main thing: gold and silver are considered safe haven assets, and people buy because of emotions rather than any logic thinking or any rational thinking. And exactly the same thing we can see. Volume is also rising, the price is also rising simultaneously. And well, I'm pretty sure a huge crash will come soon in the price of gold and silver. It's just a matter like how and when. And to be quite honest, obviously I'm not taking any long or short position in gold or silver. Absolutely no. And again, don't copy trade me. I'm not giving any signals or any financial advice. I'm just sharing my own personal analysis. Do your trading by yourself. And I just want to say that right now the price of gold is just way overbought. It is just all hype right now, and it is better to avoid taking any trade or buying gold and silver. Just my suggestion. And also, if you look closely, exactly over here on Friday and after that on Monday this week, we have seen a gap in the price of gold. You can see the price of gold closed at $4,600, and then it opened at $4,648 approximately. So there are very high chances that the price of gold will dump towards the downside to fill this gap up. Why? Because I mean, it's just so obvious that there is a huge gap up in the price of gold. This means there is plethora of volume, plethora of, I would say, demand in the price of gold right now, we can see. And soon this will result in a crash out towards the downside. Many people will get liquidated if they are trading with high leverage, or many people will face loss on their spot trades as well. Same is with silver also, because if I show you, on Friday this candle closed at $90, and this candle opened on Monday at 91, approximately $92 only over here. And you can see there is still a gap over here remaining. So yeah, again, silver will also dump towards the downside minimum till $90.1 level to fill this gap over here. Because I mean, there are just very high chances. I mean, the price of gold and silver, just anyone can look at the charts and they'll realize that it is just overbought. And any smart trader or smart investor will know that this is definitely not the right time to buy any of these assets or trade at all. it is better to just avoid them for now and wait for approximately, I would say, approximately 35% minimum correction in the price of silver to again consider buying approximately till $60 level. And again, I'm not giving any signals, just my own analysis, just my own suggestion. The price of gold and silver are already way overhyped and near their all-time high and just making new all-time high recently, and I'm not trading them at all. But recently I did entered in a long position in crude oil somewhat over here at $55.1 level. Do watch my previous videos on commodity, you will understand why I entered in a long position on crude oil. But overall, right now I'm still entered in this trade, and I'm still this trade is running, and I have not closed this trade at all. So my first take profit was somewhat over here, this white trend line, as you can see, this was my first take profit. My second take profit, well, was over here, as you can see, $62 approximately. And now my third take profit is somewhat over here, $62.7 exactly over here, as you can see. And let's see when the price of crude will hit this target over here, because the first two it has already achieved successfully, and still I am trailing my stop loss. So this is a risk-free trade for me, plus I booked some profits here and here only. But this trade right now is still running, and I'll just keep on holding my profits as long as I can. And nothing much right now to share in crude as well. The price of crude is just sideways, slowly pumping a little bit, but let's see what happens. That's pretty much it for commodity video, and nothing much in the price of crude oil, gold and silver, except the matter of fact that the price of gold and silver are again pumping towards the upside incessantly, making new all-time high. And because of the global uncertainty in the world and all the war that is happening and all the geopolitics and other things, macroeconomic events right now. But to be quite honest, nothing much. And obviously I'm not taking any trade in gold and silver at all right now. But what do you guys think? Are you taking a trade or not? What your analysis say? Do comment down below. And about my crude oil trade, you already saw. Right now still this trade is running, and I'm in profits right now. And even if this trade goes against me, I'll end up in profits only. But let's see how far the price of crude oil can pump, and will it hit my third take profit soon or not. And I'll see you guys next time.